Hey friends, I hope you're having a fantastic 4th of July with friends and family. Over here at howtowrench.com, we wanted to do a little thank you and celebrate the holiday with you with some specials on our website. If you haven't been there yet, type in www.how2wrench.com and then head over to the menu, shop. You can see all kinds of tools we've done videos on or whatnot, but head to the bottom, check this out. There's some categories down here. Hit specials, and you're going to see that we got memberships on sale, t-shirts on sale, stickers. The sales of these shirts and memberships really go on to help the bigger mission of howtowrench.com, and that's really just to have the opportunity to have such an awesome community to model craftsmanship and skill sets. You know, we've had 11 million people in over 237 countries visit the channel for these free videos. We've got over 600 free videos and playlists. So I can't thank you enough for the support. I hope you have a great holiday. Thanks again for everything you do, and as always, keep wrenching.